In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons on Square Appointments. Whether you're managing a bustling salon, a thriving consultancy, or any service-based business through Square, enhancing your client's booking experience with customized add-ons can truly set you apart. So, let's dive right into the steps to enrich your offerings. Start by navigating to the Square homepage. Here you'll find a comprehensive toolkit designed to power businesses like yours. Upon arrival, the next step is crucial. You'll want to locate and click the Sign In button. This action will guide you toward accessing your account, which is the gateway to managing your Square appointments. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to use the email associated with your Square account to avoid any login difficulties. Following your email, the next field requires your password. I can't stress enough the importance of ensuring your password is both secure and memorable. Once your credentials are correctly inputted, proceed by clicking the Sign In button to access your Square dashboard. Within the Square dashboard, you're presented with a plethora of options and settings. Navigate through these until you locate and click on the Items section. This area is the crux of where your service offerings are managed and where we'll begin the process of adding new add-ons. In the Items section, look out for and click on the Options category. Here lies the potential for customization and creativity in your service offerings. Upon finding options, gear up to significantly enhance your services. Click on Add Options. Upon initiating the creation of a new option, you'll be prompted to name this option. This name should be reflective of the add-on you're offering, be it a special treatment, a consultation add-on, or anything that provides extra value to your clients. After naming, it's time to further describe or categorize this add-on. Here you can type in a size name or any other descriptor that suits your needs. Square gives you a choice in how you present these add-ons. You can opt for simple text, which succinctly describes the add-on. Alternatively, to make your offerings more visually appealing and informative, you can select a combination of text and color. This choice allows for a more engaging presentation, which can aid clients in making their selections. To finalize the process, remember to save your work. Clicking on Save ensures all your effort in creating and customizing your add-on is not lost but instead ready to enhance your service offerings on Square Appointments. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Firstly, consider the client experience when naming and describing your add-ons. Clarity and attractiveness are key. Also, frequently review your add-ons to ensure they remain relevant and appealing to your clients. Lastly, don't shy away from experimenting with different types of add-ons to see what resonates most with your clientele. Adding add-ons to your Square appointments can significantly enrich the service you provide, offering more tailored choices to your clients while potentially increasing your revenue. By following the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to leveraging Square's robust platform to better meet the needs and desires of your clients. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued success using Square appointments.